Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be putting a quilt together, so come along and join me. I start by cutting 5-inch strips that I will turn into 5-inch squares. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. You can buy fabric already cut in squares for you, or you can cut it yourself. I enjoy the cutting. I start by taking my white 5-inch square with a blue 5-inch square, putting them together, the pretty sides together. I'm going to draw a line from corner to corner, and then I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch on each side of that line. And then I'm going to take a white and the light blue 5-inch squares, put those together, pretty sides together, and sew 1/4 of an inch on each side. Here is the first block I was working on, and I am sewing 1/4 of an inch. This is a great project to chain piece. You could do one right after another. That would make it go really fast. And then you just want to cut them apart. And then I just want to make sure I iron them, make sure they're nice and flat. And now I will sew 1/4 of an inch on each side. This works really good to chain piece. And then I take my 2.5 inch ruler and cut both directions. And then you just want to iron them, make sure they're nice and flat. And then you just want to sew them together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You want to make sure the seams match up just like this, right next to each other. If you do that, they will come out perfect every time. And then I square each block to 4.5 inches. I do the same thing with this block. And then I start playing around with how I want to lay it out. I just love the look of this block. And I will start sewing it together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. This has been a lot of fun to make. I am not finished with it yet, so hopefully next week I can show you the project a little farther along. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of this video, I will put 2 of my other videos up that you can click on if you'd like to. Thank you so much for watching.